Meaning of free enterprise.
Free enterprise.
Free enterprise.
Free enterprise.
Free enterprise. Free enterprise refers to an economic system where private individuals or businesses own and operate the means of production and distribution of goods and services with minimal government intervention. In such a system, market forces determine prices and supply and demand regulates business activity. Free enterprise promotes competition, innovation, and entrepreneurship, which can lead to economic growth and higher standards of living. However, it can also result in income inequality and monopolies that restrict competition. Overall, free enterprise is seen as a cornerstone of capitalism and is practiced in many countries around the world.